Hello, my name is Jordan Lewis, and I'm a postdoctoral research fellow in the Ecology and Evolutionary Biology department at Yale University. If there was one bit of information that I would share, I think it would be that evolutionary biology is really an all-encompassing field that touches on so many different important and interesting things. You have the realm of evolutionary medicine, evolutionary psychology, you have agricultural applications of evolution, things like the increasing rise of pesticide and resistance and pathogen resistance. All of these things follow evolutionary mechanisms, and at their base, it's really just a study of genetic changes in populations over time, and why those changes take place and what are the implications of those changes. And if you take that basic notion, you can really apply it to many different fields.